started with just jig kicks. Pop, pop, shoot, tuck, stretch, shoot, pop.
So we got into tandem with them and then the exit.
We had a lot of cool variations that y'all came up with, different angle.
So jig kicks again. Pop,
Shaka,
tuck,
punch, shoot,
exit.
So one exit that we had, shaka, shoot, pop. We never told you how to get out of it, so again, just come up and run away. One more time with that angle.